be the church that thrives, then the Holy Spirit must blow where He wills in our lives. The mission territory is right here. It's right now. It's wherever you are. Wherever you are, the Holy Spirit is moving. And so what we need to do during this whole day is call on the Holy Spirit. Tune into His frequency and watch Him change your life and the life of those around you. Desire a new parish. We need to change of heart, of mind, of ourselves, of our whole lives.
When I was on our foot course itself, really deep in my faith, a different way of understanding what Jesus did for me personally, died for me, giving me a chance to be life. But also,
it's interesting, whenever you see things about Alpha, it always calls it an Alpha course. And actually Alpha isn't a course at all. It's not a program that you follow. But as Father James was talking about earlier, it's the tool that we use in our parish for evangelisation.
And so the Holy Spirit is given to us so that we can be set free. And the Holy Spirit is given to us so that we can, with the grace of God, set others free. This is who we are.
Thank you, Lord, for gathering us together in your name. We ask that you would continue to fill our hearts and our minds. You would continue to renew our spirits with your Holy Spirit, that you would release and restore all that you have created us to be, that we might be you for the world. And we ask all of this in Jesus' name. Amen.